In a similar way to how a module is inserted, we will do the same with the services. How do one type of component differ from the other? Very simple. While the module represents a specific section of your app and the user can interact with it once it is shown on the screen, their services are transversal functions, which are integrated globally within the application and represent a general function. For example, launching push notifications, screen-to-screen announcements, or keeping a log of analytics would be examples of services. To add a service, go to the corresponding section in the side panel. When you enter, you will see that unless the template initially selected included some service, this window will appear empty. To add one, press this button. You will access the Services window, from where you will obtain additional information by passing the mouse over the service or clicking to enter on its card. If you are interested in a module, click on Use or Buy, and going back to the Services window, you will only have to configure it to start working once the app has been published. As already mentioned, you will add and configure a service in future chapters of this course.